In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in this 2021 Chevy Colorado. This happens to be a V6 model, and this should be the same for about 2015 to 2022. Now, the best place for you to get car batteries, in my opinion, is go to your local Costco, get an Interstate battery, and they're going to be about $40 to $50 cheaper than anywhere else. So let's go ahead and get this battery changed, get this vehicle back on the road. So the battery is located right here on the driver's side. You have the battery hold down strap right here. We need to take this nut off. We're going to need a 1/2 inch socket. Go ahead and take this nut off. Now we need to remove the negative cable first. And for that we need a 10mm socket. We're just going to loosen this up and then we can wiggle this off. You don't want to take this nut all the way off, you just need it pretty loose, and then you could wiggle and remove. Now you don't want this negative cable flopping around or making contact with your post, so I just put a zip tie very lightly around this wire right here, keep it out of the way. Now we need to remove this plastic cover. There's 2 tabs right here. You're going to just push them towards the engine, and this cover will come right off. Now we need to remove this black cable right here that's coming across, the 1/2 inch socket as well. I have this cable zip tied up here, very lightly, just keeping them out of the way so they don't touch anything. Now we need to remove this positive cable. We need a 10mm socket. Go ahead and loosen this up. Once again, you don't need to remove it all the way, just make it loose, and you can wiggle, pull straight off. And now we need to remove this large black plastic piece. Right down here under my finger, there's a little clip. All you do is kind of pull that out and lift straight up. Then I have that zip tied out of our way as well. Now we have a clear open work area to get the battery out. It's going to lift straight up and pull the battery strap right off. Now you'll see this stud right here has a nut right here. We need a 1/2 inch socket, and we need to loosen this up, and that's going to loosen up the clamp holding the battery down. So if you look straight down from that stud, you'll kind of see a triangle looking piece, and that's what's holding the battery down. Now we can remove that, and then you can reach down here and remove this hold down piece. And now to remove the battery, you need to slide it towards the engine about a 1/2 inch. Now we're going to clean out the debris that's inside the battery compartment. You're going to get some leaves, stuff like that. If you have a lot in there, grab a vacuum cleaner. Otherwise, grab some paper towels and clean out the battery tray. And now we're going to put our brand new Interstate battery we got from Costco down into the battery tray. Now to get the battery in position, once you get it down in there, you're going to slide it all the way to the driver's side, and then you're going to slide it towards the firewall or towards the cab. Once you do that, it's going to lock itself in place. We're going to install our hold down wedge. Now we're going to install our hold down clamp. Go ahead and put that nut back on. Go ahead and remove the positive terminal protector. You either put electrical grease or you can use a silicone spray. Put some type of lubricant on the post. Now we're going to clip this piece on. You kind of want to angle it like this so it's up towards the engine side. So it's kind of going in at an angle like this, and then it's going to come down, and then this clip should clip into place. Just like that. Now we can connect our positive post. Go ahead and tighten that up. Now we can connect this cable. We can reinstall this cover. Pull off the negative protective cover. Got the zip tie, install the negative cable. Go ahead and tighten up the negative cable. And that's all there is to it, guys. The new battery is installed and this vehicle is ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the step-by-step video, and thanks for watching.